Hello students, hope the meaning part of your chapter 1 you would have understood everything. Today we will go to the grammar part, okay? But before going to that, I want to tell you one sentence, that is, she is going to eat pizza after the class, okay? Remember the sentence, she is going to eat pizza after the class. Here what happened, if I will break it into two parts, okay, this is a full sentence. When I will break it into two parts, it will become she is going to eat a pizza after the class. Second part is the after the class. Now if I will see the first part, she is going to eat a pizza, here she is your subject part, is going to eat a pizza is your predicate part, right? So this sentence is also known as clause. Understood? Because it is having subject and predicate part. But if we will go to the second part, it will be after the class. So here after the class we are only having the noun part, the class, nothing else, no subject, no predicate part, and we can't write this sentence independently. We need something else to finish this sentence after the class. So this will become your phrase, because here it doesn't have any subject and predicate. So today we will go through clause and phrases and the difference between it. Now we will go to the definition part of clauses and phrases. Then what is clause? A clause is defined as a group of words containing a subject and a predicate. Understood? So जिसमें भी सेंटेंस में एक सब्जेक्ट होगा एंड प्रेडिकेट पार्ट होगा, उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? क्लॉज बोलेंगे. ठीक है. सो एग्जांपल्स, वी आर स्टडिंग, we is the subject, are studying is the predicate part. Now Shan is eating a pizza. Now Shan is the subject part and is eating a pizza is the predicate part. So here wherever you will see the subject and predicate is there, you will call it as a clause. Understood? Now we will go to the phrase. A phrase is a collection of words that does not contain the subject-verb pair necessary to form a clause or a sentence. So phrase क्या होता है? Phrase में ना subject part होता है ना predicate part होता है, लेकिन ये एक sentence के तरह ही दिखता है. ठीक है. तो तुम लोग अभी डिफ्रेंशिएट कर लेना, जहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट पार्ट है वो क्लॉज है, और जहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट पार्ट नहीं है वो फ्रेज है. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ एग्जांपल्स. बिफोर द एग्जाम, ये बिफोर द एग्जाम में एग्जाम इज योर नाउन. ओके. सो बिफोर द एग्जाम में ना कहीं पे भी सब्जेक्ट दिखाई दे रहा है ना कहीं पे भी प्रेडिकेट दिखाई दे रहा है, तो दिस विल बिकम योर फ्रेज. ब्रोकन इनटू पीसेस, अभी टूट गया, बहुत सारे पीसेस में टूट गया, लेकिन क्या टूट गया, कैसे टूट गया, कुछ नहीं पता है. तो ब्रोकन इनटू पीसेस में ना सब्जेक्ट है ना प्रेडिकेट पार्ट है, तो इट विल बिकम योर फ्रेज. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ वी विल कम टू द फ्रेज वर्सेस क्लॉज पार्ट. तो फ्रेज और क्लॉजेस में क्या क्या डिफरेंसेस होते हैं? Phrases do not contain a subject and a predicate, as already you have known. Then clauses contain a subject and a predicate part. Now second point, phrases cannot convey a complete thought. तो हम लोगों को पता चल गया कि phrases कभी भी complete thought नहीं दे सकता. देखो वहां पे before the exam में कुछ complete thoughts दे रहा है, तो before the exam में क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, मतलब कुछ भी नहीं पता चला, सिर्फ पता चला कि before the exam. So we need another sentence to make a full meaning. Understood? Now clauses can sometimes convey a complete thought. Understood? Now phrases cannot stand alone. Independent clauses can stand alone. So phrases कभी भी अकेला खड़ा नहीं हो सकता. अगर हम लोग खाली ऐसे लिख दे कि बिफोर द एग्जाम, ब्रोकन इनटू पीसेस, हम लोगों को कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आएगा, कभी भी खड़ा नहीं हो सकता. लेकिन क्लॉज में क्या होता है? क्लॉज में टू टाइप्स का होता है, डिपेंडेंट टाइप्स, इंडिपेंडेंट टाइप्स, जो कि हम लोग बाद में पढ़ेंगे. तो उनमें से जो इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस होता है वही सिर्फ अकेला खड़ा हो सकता है फुल मीनिंग के साथ. Understood? So these are the differences between the phrase and clauses. Now we will go to the more examples of clauses and phrases so that you can distinguish between the differences. For example of clauses, he must stop laughing. Here he is the subject part, must stop laughing is the predicate part. Then they have done a job. Tom likes the meat. Tom is the subject part, likes the meat is the predicate part, and it is giving a proper meaning and it can stand independently. Understood? Now we like the music that you brought. We like the music that you brought. We is the subject part, like the music is the predicate part, then again you is the subject part, brought is the predicate part. So here two types, independent and dependent is there. Okay, so there independent types, that one we like the music is the independent part and it can stand independently. Understood? Now phrases ka examples. What are those? The information is. तो द इन्फॉर्मेशन इज क्या होता है? एक नाउन होता है, एंड अगर हम लोग सिर्फ ऐसे लिख दे कि द इन्फॉर्मेशन इज, कोई कुछ भी समझ में नहीं पाएगा और इसका ना सब्जेक्ट है ना प्रेडिकेट पार्ट है, तो दिस इज योर फ्रेज. नाउ अर्नेस्ट इन हर डिजायर, अर्नेस्ट इन हर डिजायर, this is also not having a subject and predicate part, so this is your phrases. Now much too quickly, so see clearly. Understood? After a very long walk, so these are all your phrases, जहाँ पे भी तुम्हारा ना कोई subject होता है ना कोई predicate part होता है. So today we learn about the clauses and phrases and the difference between them. In next class we will learn about the types of clauses. I think you will understand everything. Thank you.